What's up, y'all?
It was good. It's your boy Kareem here.
Hey, about to do this Charleston day trip.
Don't let me forget. I know it's kind of foggy here, but we going to Charleston, so.
Yeah, it's about to be nice and sunny.
I need to get these ready.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you guys, so in this clip right here, I have to just do a quick voiceover because my buddy Fitz here is, well, he's singing a song that, if I were to put it in this video, well, we'd get copyrighted because of YouTube. So I was like, you know what, I'll just record a little voiceover. It does kind of suck, though, because, well, I don't know what to say, really. I'm literally just talking because, well, I need to. I need to keep you guys entertained while you watch him sing a song that, well, you guys don't know what song he's singing because I have it muted because we can't get copyrighted. But I promise you guys, it was very funny. It was great, very in the moment. But yeah, it's just, unfortunately, I don't want to get copyrighted. But listen, it was great talking with you guys. Love you. How do you feel about that?
I know that song from Family Guy, so that's it.
Charleston trip time. We're just filling up on gas, picking up some snacks. Y'all know what it is. We ready though. Alright, you guys, what's up? It's me again. You're probably wondering, why am I back? You know, why am I doing another voiceover? It's supposed to be a vlog. You're supposed to hear what's going on in the video. But guess what? We, for some reason, really enjoy listening to music and recording ourselves singing it. And unfortunately, that's what happened in these couple of clips here. You see, we're having a great time. Just a great group of friends, you know, really enjoying the music. But because of YouTube and the ability to be copyrighted, you just can't see that fun that we're having. Anyways, I promise it was great. We were singing Drake and I think J. Cole, and yeah, it was great. It was a great time. Had to be there. But yeah, see ya.
I'll be right by your side to 2,000 or 3,000. Oh, fuck. I messed up.
He messed it up. Let's see. Kareem, where are we at in our descent so far?
So right now, we hit the exit that said Charleston. I don't know exactly where we at, but I think we're about an hour away. So
okay.
It's 10:43, so about 11:45-ish.
Okay. Fizz, what do you think so far about the trip?
Yeah, I think I can't wait to be there, so we can get crunk.
How's the trip so far?
Love it, man. It's a journey.
Where are we at, boys?
We outside. No.
I'm home.
Where we go? Where we just land?
Baby.
Where we just land?
Back in South Carolina, I'm home.
There we go.
That's awesome.
What city we in, Kareem?
We in Charleston, South Carolina right now.
Baby.
Charleston.
Where? How do we get out of here though?
Oh, wait. Actually, we didn't think that through, did we?
I think it's down here. Where? I don't know how I feel about walking. I like walking.
What?
How do you feel about walking?
How do you feel about walking?
Yeah, walking's very good for
great
you.
exercise,
you know.
And it's a great way to experience places without driving around.
We stay fit around here. So
That
jokes on it?
I know you're not big on history, but
I mean, I don't care about
cool.
like museums.
It's an hour and 30 minutes.
Hey, baby, where we at right now? Dimitri? Where we at? Charleston.
How are we feeling right now?
Hot.
Sweaty.
Hey, do you know the baked potato? You're probably wondering, why are we not on the upper deck? Why are we chilling like in a hotel floor? But there were no seats available.
Darkest hour, I wanna comfort you. I know you've been alone. Oh, where do you go? In your head when in the real world is snow. Oh, I know how you hate the cold. Your life searching for more. Afraid to leave, afraid to show. Fight to leave, fight to leave, fight to show. Sometimes find yourself knowing no. Lost and looking for a soul. Grabbing for what you can hold. Sometimes realize there's nowhere to go. 'Cause the thing we're searching for is just waiting back home. And you've done your walking, probably enough for two. Oh, often you've had it rough, but you also had your cup filled up. And we both know, every time you come around, every time you return, you see it in your tired eyes. Still have more to go.
Let me tell you something, Tracy. It can't be anything like love, can it?
No, it mustn't be. It can't.
Would it be inconvenient?
Terribly. Anyway, I know it isn't. Oh, right, we're out of our minds.
Right into our hearts.
Music.
It does, doesn't it? Tracy, you're so...
But my footsteps are melting away. What is it, about our feet of clay or something? It's not under the pool, it's just over the lawn and in the birch grove. It'll be lovely now.
Cream, you really want this booze pop, don't you?
I said I was getting one.
Sorry.
Why would I not?
is good for them, right?
It's hot.
What's up? Better than one before. We back. Yes, sir. Folly Beach. Here.
Man, you know what it is. We out here.
You know.
We're just shun out. Got my guns out.
Sun's out.
About to run out.
What's up?
Such a great view, scenic views out here. And by scenic views, I mean this lovely ocean we have here and these lovely buildings and lovely people, man. It's a great time. Love the vlog. Got two cameras, man. This one right here, him right here. We living life, y'all.
Oh, camera reception.
I don't know about all that. Living life, you know me? Living life large.
Man, I'm having fun.
If you ain't living,
I'm at the beach.
Yeah,
We was just on the boat. It's my time to shine. I just got a job.
Sir,
It's time to celebrate.
celebrate
life.
responsibly. Hold up, yo, watch it.
Look at that one. wasn't that good.
Well,
Dimitri, you ate your fruit so fast.
we are coming to the end of our trip.
How was the food in the trip, guys?
I was surrounded by seafood, which I'm allergic to. Went to go get ice cream. They were out of my favorite ice cream. It's been a phenomenal day.
You know, look at that stuff.
But you know what? I spent it with my boys.